Homelessness was an issue, I think, that has had a lot of traction with government and with the public in recent times. I'm struck by the fact that a significant subset of those who are currently homeless in the state are women and children who have fled the family home due to domestic violence. The government has indicated a commitment to dealing with this particular problem. Can I ask you a couple of things, Taoiseach, or Taoiseach? Number one, do you envisage, given the commitments that have been made in very recent times about homelessness, do you envisage that the Department of Environment will have to come forward with a supplementary estimate sometime later this year to address the challenge of homelessness and the costs that will inevitably be involved in that? And secondly, can I ask you, has the Cabinet considered the Istanbul Convention, that convention, international convention which seeks to combat violence against women, which is also obviously linked to the homelessness issue that we have in this country? And finally, can I just ask you again about the Housing Miscellaneous Provisions Bill, which at Part 4 contains a provision to disappear 77,000 people off the housing waiting lists, because in the bill that you've brought before us, you promise, you say that the 77,000 people out of the 90,000 people currently on the waiting list will be considered to have their housing need met. I am absolutely astonished that such a proposal would come from Labour. Wouldn't be at all surprised at it coming from Fearghaíl, but absolutely astonished that it would come from Labour. Can you give us some sort of a commitment that there will be a change in that piece of legislation before it again emerges at committee or report stage?
Thank you, Deputy.